I tried Halo Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Halo Wallet app, I expected another generic crypto management tool. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Halo isn't just a wallet, it's a social network built around your digital assets. On day 1, setup was smooth. It took less than 2 minutes to create an account and sync my existing wallets. But what stood out immediately was the social feed, a place where users share insights, portfolio updates, and even on-chain data in real time. It's like combining Twitter and Diffie Analytics into one platform. By day 2, I began linking my wallet and exploring communities. Halo automatically tracks your holdings, showing performance trend and yield opportunities. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of relying on influencers, the app ranks users based on actual on-chain activity, not hype. Midweek, I tried the social fee features, where you can follow top-performing wallets, learn their strategies, and even get rewarded for sharing your own insights. Most people get this wrong. They think wallets are just for storage, but Halo turns them into an ecosystem of learning and earning. By day 5, I noticed how gamified it felt. You earn reputation points, build a verified identity, and grow your on-chain credibility. It's Diffie, but with a social layer that actually makes it engaging and transparent. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Halo Wallet isn't just about holding crypto, it's about building your reputation in the decentralized world. It blends finance, community, and identity in a way no other wallet does. If you're tired of isolated crypto apps and want a wallet that connects you to real people and real data, Halo is the future. It's not just smart, it's social.